So for 21, the big reason that we can be sure that the principle is a and is that the application wouldn't need anything to justify it otherwise. I mean, if the principle were saying, if you don't criticize the behavior in yourself, or else if you don't vow to stop it, then you don't get to criticize someone else. Then when the application says Shimada doesn't vow to stop being tardy, he can't criticize McFeeney, that would be perfectly valid based on the principle. Right? I mean, if you take the principle to be saying if you don't do one or else if you don't do the other. Instead, the principle is combining the two. It's saying if you neither criticize yourself nor vow to stop it, then you don't get to criticize someone else. And we are sure of that because otherwise there would be no need. There would be no possibility of further justification. The principle would completely justify the application if this were an or. So it is an and. And it is saying if you do not criticize yourself and if you do not vow to stop your actions, then you don't get to criticize someone else. Well, now the application is missing a piece. If Shimada doesn't vow to stop it, and if Shimada doesn't criticize himself, Answer choice A makes that clear. If Shimada doesn't do both those things, then Shimada doesn't get to criticize McFeeney. And that's what answer choice A says, and it fills in the missing part of the equation, and it proves the conclusion, and that's why it's the right answer.